The overall experience has been great. It's actually exceeded my expectations, learning a lot about the program, and also very entertaining.
Beyond met my expectations. It's been extremely fun, on top of informative. I thought that I would be coming here and just learning, but the learning process has been fun, which helps the information to stick in my brain a little better.
After even the first day, I can't wait to get home as far as getting everything implemented.
James Leichter, the owner, is very good at what he does. He makes it very informative, makes sure everybody's on board with everything. They can see it happening on the computers. So he's been very good about going over the right information to help everyone learn and keep everyone at the same pace.
He's extremely thorough and extremely knowledgeable, so if you've got a question, he's going to go all the way down the rabbit hole with you, and that's really great.
I think it's a great opportunity to come out here and learn from the actual creators themselves and get everything, all the little kinks sorted out so that you can make your business as profitable as possible.
It's a great experience, and the people here, not only the students, but the instructors and the staff have been phenomenal, answering questions, looking over concerns, teaching you not only in the classroom, but outside the classroom. So it's just been a fantastic experience all the way around.
If you're going online, trying to learn the product and you get stuck at anything, it's coming here, it's an eye-opener. It really makes life look a lot easier as far as getting started with the whole thing.
Even if you think you know as much as you can know about it, I guarantee that there's more that you can learn from coming here. We thought we were using it to, not its full extent, but using it fairly efficiently, and now coming here we've learned so much more information about how we can use it more efficiently than what we already are.
I would definitely recommend people attend Aptora University. It's the way to go to get this depth of knowledge.
I would definitely recommend people come to Aptora University.
I do recommend Aptora University.